Hi everybody! In this video we're going to go over how to find the starting amount in a simple interest problem. So take a deep breath and let's make this math easy. Alright, so in this problem it says suppose you want to have $70,000 in 4 years for a down payment on a new house. If you find an investment that pays 4.5% simple interest annually, how much money should you invest now to have the money for the down payment in the future? So when we look at what this question is asking for, it's asking for how much money you should invest now, which means that we're looking for P. And if we look at the other information that we are given, like the 70,000, the 4 years, and the 4.5% simple interest, the 4 years is obviously going to be the time, and the simple interest rate, R, is going to be 0.045 because that's the decimal version of 4.5%. And then the 70,000 is the amount we want to have in the future to be able to have a down payment on the house. And so this is going to be the A. And so we'll say A equals 70,000. So to find what we're looking for, we first have to decide which formula out of the simple interest formulas to use. So because we have A, that means we're going to end up using this formula here. Because we have A, we have T, we have R, and we're looking for P. So when I substitute all my values in, I get 70,000 equals P times 1 plus 0.045 times 4. And 0.045 times 4 is 0.18, which tells us that we're earning 18% simple interest in this investment. And so we can simplify the equation to be 70,000 equals P times 1.18, because this is the interest you're earning, and then you also are keeping 100% of your initial investment. And to solve for P, I'm going to divide both sides by 1.18. And when I do that, I end up with P equals $59,322.03. So this is the amount that I should invest now in order to have enough money for this $70,000 down payment in the future. So pause this video and try this problem on your own, and then restart it to see how I solved it. All right, so on this one, it says, suppose that you took out a loan at a 7.5% simple interest rate for 4 years, and at the end of the loan, you repaid the loan with $12,610. And the question asks, how much money did you originally borrow? So once again, we're looking for P because that's the amount we originally borrowed. And then the 7.5% is our interest rate, which I can write as a decimal. And then the time is going to be 4 years. And the amount at the end of the loan is going to be $12,610. And so that means I'm going to use this simple interest formula because I was given the amount at the end. And this is the formula that involves ending amounts. So when I plug in all the numbers that I know, it shows me that I have 12,610 equals the original amount I borrowed, which I don't know, so I'm going to write that as P, times 1 plus 0.075 times 4. So when I do 0.075 times 4, that ends up giving me 0.3, which means that I'm going to be paying 30% interest overall. So I'll have P times 1.3 equals 12,610. So to find out what P is, I'm going to divide both sides by 1.3, and that gives $9,700. And so this is the amount of money that I initially borrowed, and that would be the answer to the question that they asked. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys have a good day.